So in this video, I'll show you how I prepare this delicious piece of salmon. So here we go. So I have here 2 pieces of salmon. I'm going to start off with just basically seasoning them on both sides. I'm going to start off with some Badia seafood seasoning. Some garlic powder. Black pepper. Onion powder. And I'll do this, add the same set of seasonings on the other side of the sardine. I left the skin on. I like the skin on. I didn't put any salt because the seafood seasoning has salt in it. So here's my frying pan on the stove. It's nice and hot. I'm using the ghee cooking spray to fry up the sardine a bit. This is great for like high temperature cooking. I'll just put the skin part first. A few minutes, I'm going to turn them over. Even though the skin looks like this, I don't mind. I'm still happy. I'm happy. Did I ever tell you guys before I didn't like salmon? I didn't like salmon. But now with my carnivore diet thing, I've been eating it quite often. Even though it's kind of like high in price point, you know, but I've been eating it to give my diet a little variation. So after a few minutes, I'm going to take this off and remove them from the pot and continue the recipe. So here we go. Put them aside. I'm going to add some butter. I'm going to add some spinach. Tomatoes, cut them into basically, each one cut into about 4 pieces. Mix them together. So you know we have to season it up nicely. I'm just going to go in with my all-purpose seasoning. Normally I would have added pepper flakes to this, but my husband doesn't like anything, can't eat anything spicy, so I wouldn't take the chance of adding anything of pepper to this. Add some garlic powder. Onion powder. And you can add anything else that you think will make it flavorful for your taste. I was looking for some parsley in the grocery, but I couldn't get none. The dried parsley, dried thyme, but I couldn't get anything that I wanted, so I just stick with the basic. Sometimes when I go to the grocery store, I get so frustrated when I can't get the ingredients that I want. Basic stuff, in my opinion, you just can't get it. Oh well. So let us simmer for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add back the salmon. So now I'm going to add back in the salmon. That looks so delicious. Oops. Right. I'm going to cover that in the pot. And let that simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Awesome! Perfect. I'm going to turn off my stove now. Wow, that's unbelievably delicious. Yeah, baby.